Greetings, Camtasiacs. If you're like me, you've got a few designers in your life. And boy, do some of those people sure love them some Figma. What we'd like to be able to do is bring that artwork that our team is creating in vector format into Camtasia. How do we do that? Let's figure this out. So with Figma, we're going to go ahead and launch it. And what I'd like to do is go ahead and take this film cell, which I've got selected right here, and I'm going to export it in a format that Camtasia understands. So we'll go ahead down to the export options. We'll click the plus button. Very important. We're going to change the default to PDF is the vector format that Camtasia understands on both Mac and Windows. We select that. We'll go ahead and choose export. I'm going to rename this film cell.pdf. There it is. Command C, copy. Now we're going to move into Camtasia and we're going to Command V to paste it in. I'm going to drag it down to my timeline here. I've got it dropped in. Now you can see this guy is very tiny. So let's drag him out where we can see him. Right there. 16 by 16 is the size. Let's scale it all the way up. Max it out 500%. Let's go above that. Let's see what we can do. 3,000. Let's try 3,000%. Boom. Oh yeah, now just like that, you can see beautiful, crisp edges. Everything's sharp throughout. Vector content from Figma in Camtasia. Oh, so delicious. I hope you enjoyed this tip. I'll see you next time.